Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to go through how I got this bomb wash and go. Y'all know I've been on a journey for this and I'm so glad I finally figured it out. Okay, so the products I'm using for this wash and go are from the Mielle Organics Palm and Honey line. I am using their leave-in as well as their twisting custard. I use both of these products, but I kind of wish I only used one of them because when I went to stretch out my hair, I had white flakes on my shirt. I couldn't see them when it was in my hair, but I could see them falling onto my shirt. So I would definitely suggest using one product or the other. They're both really amazing. And I suggest them to people all the time. Using the gel allowed me to get the definition that I wanted for my wash and go. So the end result was really amazing. I just wish I used one less product. So that is what I would suggest if you want to try this combo or something similar to it. And this is before I even applied the gel. This is just the Mielle working on its own. And here I am applying the gel to get definition everywhere. So I did that combination and that layering method all throughout my hair. And I took my time and I shingled everything. I also added a bit of gel at the root to lay it down. But honestly, I kind of wish I didn't do that. I felt like I had too much gel in my hair. So that's another tip that I learned during this process on the journey to the perfect wash and go. So those are the two things I would suggest using, I guess, fewer products as well as maybe not using so much gel unless you like that gel feeling. I did not like having so much gel in my hair. Okay, so I won't bore you guys and take you on the journey of me doing my entire wash and go. I'm definitely going to speed it up for you guys, and throughout the video I'll drop a couple tips of things that I learned while using these products in combination with one another, and of course I will show you how the definition is along the way. I forgot to tell you guys, the brush that you see me using throughout the video is a Tangle Teaser brush. It's currently my favorite brush. So another thing you'll see me doing is going through and grabbing pieces that look a little bit frizzy and just adding a bit more gel to them to define them a little bit more. Some of them I just let frizz up if I put gel on it and it just puffed right back up. So some of them kind of worked when I added more gel. Some of my hair just was not having it and did not want to clump, so I didn't force it. Okay, so I'm wrapping up doing the wash and go, and I really love the way it turned out. Outside of the flaking, I really loved it, but that's just a learning experience for me for next time. And I also have no clue how long this took me. It probably took me like an hour and a half because I shingled every piece, and I took way longer than I needed to and than I will in the future, just because I'm still learning what I like, what I don't like, and trying out different techniques. So if you try this, let me know. If you know of a bomb wash and go combination, comment it down below. Let me know. Help me out. This wash and go gave me so much definition. I let it air dry for a little while so it could all shrink up to about the same length. And then I set under a dryer just to dry it a little bit faster. And then I let the remaining portion air dry. I wore this hairstyle for my family photo shoot, and I hope you guys like it. Please let me know what videos you want to see from me. I'm excited to be back, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Until next time, bye.